Okay.
Yeah guys, it's my bike check. Starting from the top, we've got Federal Dan Lacey signature bars, 28 inches wide. Grips, I've got Colt Vans waffle grips with OEI bar ends. They're pretty shit, they're just great all the time. Moving down, Eastern stem, and down we've got an SSA impact headset. Odyssey CS2 Classic Race Sport, pretty strong, nice. Front wheel, got an Odyssey Bandero 2 hub laced to an Alienation Skylark rim with Primo spokes and United nipples. Front tyre is a Odyssey 18 signature. Front peg, both pegs look neo-fashionable like. For the frame, the Amity Russo 20.6 top tube. Frank's got a Primo Volibike. I have premium metal pedals and a proper team sprocket with a Shadow V2 interlock chain. Colony seat post, Federal fat seat because I'm a fat nigga. Back wheel we got Odyssey V3 setup, placed to an Odyssey Hazard with, I don't know, really shit spokes and nipples. Same again, McNeil Fashionable light peg, and back tyre, Odyssey Pass, and both hub guards are FBM, no, VSD, that's the one. Cheers guys.